Welcome to this quick tutorial on EBSCOhost Academic Search Complete. Academic Search Complete is a multidisciplinary full-text database with thousands of full-text scholarly sources. It's a great research tool full of reliable and trustworthy sources. To access Academic Search Complete, start at the Charles H. Trout Library website. The link is in the description box below. From our homepage, scroll down to locate the A to Z database list. Academic Search Complete will be located under A in the alphabetized list. If you are on campus, when you click on this link, you'll be automatically signed in. However, if you're off campus, you'll be asked to provide a username and password. Check out our video on how to find passwords to our library databases. I'll put the link in the description. So let's do a basic search. You're going to type in your search terms in the search box at the top of the page. And notice that the database suggests keywords as you type. You can use these keywords if you wish. Also notice that there are additional search boxes below with the word "and" next to them. Use these to provide additional keywords. So my research is on music therapy in the treatment of depression. So I can add the words depression and treatment in these additional boxes. And when you're ready, click the search button. The page will refresh, and now you'll have a list of articles below the search area and a list of filters to the left of the articles. Filters are really important because they can help refine your search list by removing articles that are not relevant to you. So let's take a look at the filters first. Full text is selected by default. That means you will only see articles which are available in full text in the database today. Some other filters that are commonly used by students are peer-reviewed. This will only show you those articles which are peer-reviewed. That way you don't need to try to figure out if an article is peer-reviewed. Use the database filters to make it easy for you. Date is another common filter. Often professors will require students to use only sources published within the last 5 or 10 years. So this filter helps you quickly remove articles that are out of that date range. And finally, there's source type, which allows you to select the type of article. For example, newspaper, magazine, or academic journals, if those article types are available from your search list. So select the filters that you want, and then click the Apply button to apply those filters and refresh the results. So now we have a list of results that's a bit shorter than the one that we had before we applied the filters. And now we're ready to read through the result list and find articles that are relevant. So you can read the title of each article, and it provides a nice summary. And when you're ready to read the full text of the article, look for the Access or Access Options buttons. If the full text is available, you'll see these buttons, and you might see PDF or online full text or both formats. Choose the format you prefer, and when you open, the full text will open in your browser. And then there are some very useful tools within the full text view. This quotation mark icon will open the citation generator. This brings up a list of citation styles to choose from. APA is selected by default, but you can choose a different style depending on your needs. Click Copy the citation to copy it to your clipboard, and then you can paste it into your document. A quick word of caution here though, do check these citations because they are computer generated. They can have errors. We have a guide on each of the citation styles used at Harcum on our website, and I will link that in the description. Next, you can use the share icon to email and save the articles, and there's a download option where you can download the article to your computer. And then there are some accessibility features. One is translation, and the other is a text-to-speech feature that will read the article aloud and let you download the audio in an MP3 file. So that's a quick overview of EBSCOhost Academic Search Complete. If you need any help using this or any other database, please reach out to the library, and I hope you enjoy using this fantastic resource for all your scholarly research. Thanks for watching.